Food bar here, favorite neighborhood Liebenskünstler. And today we're here at the Forgotten Cinema in Gjirokastër, Albania. They're having some parking issues there. Parking here is completely impossible. Oh, so why is a little Forgotten Cinema so important? There's a lot of other important things like the castle right up there, some other things, because it's Forgotten Cinema. I have the keys for. Look at that. You see people just park freaking everywhere. But if you're VIP, you get not only a designated spot, but your own parking lot that's chained off. So nobody else can come and scratch your doors or back into you. So, along with this being a Forgotten Cinema, it is also a museum. All this artwork is done by the owner. He's from Greece. See if I can get some of this in here. Here you have a look at the castle through the windows. More artwork going all the way down both sides of the hallway here. The door. Little bathroom. The washer. This is the living room. More artwork. That's our view here. The old village. And here they have a little spiral staircase. Goes up here. Just have a couple beds. Pretty simple. Have some old antique knickknacks and stuff around. And that does it for our quick apartment tour. To the next mile, we're going to be traveling around Gjirokastër until we're not. So to the next mile, Gustavar drops.